I'm Curly from Johnson Auto Body. Today we're going to talk about car care tips. So you really want to check after your brakes and tires. Without brakes and tires, you ain't going nowhere. You got to check your coolant levels, oil level, possibly transmission. Some cars don't have a dipstick to check it. You got to check your blinker fluid. Make sure you got that checked. With your oil, depending on what type of oil and car you have, you go anywhere from 2,500 to 3,000 miles. Some people prefer more, some people prefer less. With brakes, if you start hearing something, you know it's time. It's time to do something about it. With your tires, you can have uneven tire wear, and that can indicate like a bent rim, your tie rods, or something needs to be adjusted, like your alignment. Oh, and always make sure you have no lights out on the outside of your car, like your headlights, your tail lights, turn signal lights, your tag lights. That's a big one. If you have any questions or anything, just give us a call.